Welcome to Sew Denim Quilting. I'm Glenda Burton. Do you have a stash of denim jeans that you've been hanging on to make a denim quilt? Don't know what to make? Hopefully I can inspire you to create your own awesome quilts. I'm always seeing quilts that look great and I wonder, what if I used old denim jeans? Grab those denim jeans and let's get started. In this video I'm going to show you how to make what I'm calling the windmill block. To make this block, we're going to use some 5-inch squares here, and I'm going to be making 2 blocks at once, so I have 4 5-inch denim squares, and I have 8 denim rectangles that are 2.5 by 7, and I have 8 print blocks that I'm going to use for this. We will also need our cutting board, our rotary cutter, a ruler, and some clips will all come in helpful on this block that we're making today. Stick around and I'll show you how to get it done. Just cut them right in half. And this will give what we need for 1 block. So we're going to set those aside. We're also going to cut our print squares in half. And now you can do this with 4. The reason I'm using 8 is because I want to make it more scrappy. So I'm just going to take 2 at a time. I'm going to cut them in half as well. So I've seen these blocks called other things besides a windmill block. Jenny Doan, she calls them a kindred spirit block. I've also seen it called flying kite block. That pattern and instructions can be found on Fat Quarters Shop. But to me, it looks like a windmill, so that's why I'm calling it a windmill. And I've also seen it, and don't remember where I saw it. I've seen it called a double pinwheel too. Okay, now that we have all of our blocks done, I'm going to set these off to the side for now because we don't need those. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our 4 denim squares and our print block, but we only need 4 of the print and our 4 denim pieces. So, to sew these together, we're going to basically make a triangle, and we need to make them all the same. So we're going to take and we're going to put these together, and then what we're going to do is we're going to clip them together before we take them to the sewing machine. So we'll clip these together, and I'm using my little clips here that I got off of Amazon that are wonderful. I love them. And then we'll do another one. And we're going to have 4 of them that look like this. So we have these 4 together now. And then what we're going to do with our other 4 is we're going to use our 2.5 by 7-inch rectangles. They're going to get sewn to those. So we have those 4 ready. Now, all right, so these, we're going to take these and we're just going to clip the top of our rectangle to the top of our triangle. Okay, now that we have our denim triangles attached to our print triangles and the other half of our print triangles clipped to our rectangles, I'll go ahead and go sew them. All right, I'm back from the sewing machine. I've ironed these open, and we'll clip the tips off of the triangles. So we'll do that first. And next we'll do these ones. And these we have to cut. We're just going to simply cut these off at an angle. We're just going to use the angle of our triangle and cut them off. I'm just using the angle from the triangle and just bring it, and it's just extending it out. Now that we have our pieces trimmed, we're going to assemble our block. To do that, we're going to lay it out first. So up. So it goes up. This one makes a square that way. And then this one's going to go down here. To that like that. This way. Other side piece. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're just going to sew them together. And then we'll show you how to assemble it the rest of the way. This becomes an easy 4-patch. Alright, we're back from the sewing machine. And we've ironed them open, and now we're going to square them up. I'm going to square these ones up to 6 inches. Just use our ruler here. There's one. We'll come off this side. Come off this side. Turn it around, and now these two are square, so I'll line up on our 6 and our 6. Around, flip it around. Now that we squared them up, we'll go ahead and lay them back out and sew them together in a 4-patch. So again, just sew that together like a 4-patch will. Sew these together. Put our 2 rows together. And here is our completed windmill block, or kindred block, or kite block, double pinwheel, whatever you want to call it. But there it is. And I will see you in the next video.